Welcome back to another video of Life Skills with Mr. K. For this video I thought it'd be a really good idea to go back through everything that we've learned so far and put it into an order that makes sense so you can clean your kitchen from start to finish. So let's get started.
Step 1 is washing our dishes, so you need to sort out what can go in the dishwasher and what can't. Here's a few of the symbols to remind you of what can go in the dishwasher. And then when you're loading the dishwasher, make sure you spread all your plates and dishes out equally so that the water can get to them. And then you move on to hand washing the rest of your dishes. Don't forget you have to wash them in hot soapy water and then leave them to drain upside down. And then once you've finished, remember to dry your dishes and put them away. So, step 2 is wiping our surfaces. Because we've put our plates and dishes away first, now the surfaces are clear for us to wipe. So remember to spray the surface area, to wipe from the back, make sure you give any sticky area a really good scrub, move anything out the way, so like the kettle and things, they have to go, wipe behind it, wipe the splashback, and then you can wipe them into your hand. But if it goes on the floor, it doesn't matter because that'll go on to our next step. So step 3 is brushing our floors. Remember to start around the edges and work towards a pile, and try and brush the whole floor so that you don't miss any dirt that you can't see. Once you've brushed into a pile, you need to get the dustpan and brush out, and bring your bin close. Which brings us on to our final step, step 4, which is mopping the floors. When mopping the floors, you need to think about what chemical you're going to use and check the safety instructions. Look at the symbols if you can't remember. So, before you start mopping, remember to soak your mop and wring it out. And then you're going to go along the edges of your floor and make sure you go side to side, covering the whole floor. If you come across anything sticky or still dirty, go back over it and give it a good scrub. And you want to make sure you go all over the floor so you don't miss any spots. And you want to remember to mop your way out of the room towards the door so that once you finish mopping, your kitchen is clean and your job is done.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found that video very useful. It's been really nice to see what you've been getting on with at home and hear about how well you've been doing. If you have been practicing these skills at home, please comment below so I know that these videos are working. If you want an activity to go with it, I will put one on my blog, which is just to sequence what you have to do to clean the kitchen from start to finish. I hope you've enjoyed it. Please like the video, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again soon.